Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can make your resume on Indeed public. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is scroll to your homepage and tap open the Indeed Jobs app. So once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to click on the three lines on the right hand side of the menu bar. So once you tap it, you will end up with several options where you need to simply click on the profile option. So once you are in the profile, you can see your resume where you need to tap now. So after tapping in on your resume, you can find the three dot option on the right hand side of the screen. Now simply tap it where you can find the share a link to my Indeed resume option. So after you click it on, you can see the set your resume to public link. So simply click it open and now you can make your resume to the public instead of the private and simply press on save. So this is how you public your resume on Indeed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.